got home from work about an hour ago. Just got the old S10 pulled in the backyard. It really wasn't as much of a pain in the ass as I thought it was, except I was in direct sunlight as I took the fence down, but just grabbed my my little box of tools, not box of tools, but box of tools. And then I'm gonna pull it up right there where the sidewalk is going, and gonna start the tear down of pulling the motor out. So this whole YouTube thing, I'm not the best at it. It's awkward for me. That's why in the Ranger video I didn't really do any talking when I was there. I just randomly uploaded videos with no context behind it. But with that, I'm gonna get better at it in time. But until then, you just gotta deal with the jagged cuts and all that. And I'm also editing and doing literally everything on my phone, so I have no equipment besides iPhone 8 Plus. That's not the best. But about to bring my box of tools in the backyard and move the S10. I'll make a video of it running for the last time as a 4-cylinder, and then it gets to be pulled right up there, and then I start on the teardown. But I'll let you know, guys. I'll get some updates when I get to them. So till then. So it's a little warm out, but it's not in its final spot that I'm gonna start tearing into it. But got a little warm because I disconnected there at the water pump and all that. So it's a little warm, and I don't feel like working on a hot motor. So just have it most way pulled up. So just gotta straighten it up. But like I said, this is where I'm just gotta move it over about a few foot. So its first little baby clutch dump. And motor's not happy, so. But here she is, just the old shit box, and in all its glory. So I'm gonna get this thing all jacked up here in a few, and then I'm gonna, well, first I'm gonna move it, then get it all jacked up. But I just wanted to get it over here and moved, and I'll do when I do the final movement, it don't want to run all that good, so I gotta do this thing called rev it to the moon, and it likes to do this thing called knock, which rod decides to be a knocker. So I'm not sure which one that is, so hopefully I don't find out here shortly. But here we go. I'm gonna start tearing into it. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours after last update. I believe the motor's about ready to pull. I don't know if it is or isn't. I gotta disconnect fuel line, but wiring is disconnected, which for a base truck, this has a lot more wiring than I thought. It's all over there. I just cut everything. Oh well. It's gonna be on a standalone, so I don't really need any of the factory wiring, I don't think. Nor do I hope. Might have screwed up. I'll deal with that later. Excuse me. I didn't pull the front end off. I'm probably gonna pull the front grill off when I just get ready to pull. Gotta do 2 fuel lines, and I believe that's it. I believe that's all that's left before I pluck the old knocker out of here. But sitting up here, disconnected the drive shaft, which is, excuse me, right there leaking. Trans mount is off, so that's all loose. I'm just about to get set up, and hopefully I got everything. If not, I got some Sawzall, and I'll cut it if it doesn't seem important, which I don't think anything really is at this point, as long as it doesn't hit that. But yeah, we got just a few more things, and then it's time to come out. But just wanted to give a little update before I pluck, and I might set up a time lapse. I'm not sure. I got music going, so probably not. But hopefully next update is the motor out of the truck. So hope to get it done by 8. It's like 7 right now, so 8:30. We'll see. So it's like 10 o'clock right now. I got done pulling the motor probably an hour and a half ago. Just been out here with my sister talking. But it's out. It was a pain in the ass to the aspect of I didn't pull any of the front core support off or anything like that, but it was pretty stupid of me, but I did it. It's out. It's sitting right here. There's the old truck. I'm just about to put everything off to the side and just clean up a little. Got everything pushed out of the way. So, and then tomorrow I am coming out here and basically gutting the entire. Only thing that's going to be left is the steering shaft for the most part. That'll be gone, maybe, but that might be gone. Everything is going to be taken off, and everything's going to be cleaned up, and might take the fender liners out tomorrow, just to do a few things, and I got nothing better to do for the next day and a half, so that's the end of tonight. But got so many things to do. I'm just glad I got the old rod knock 4-banger out, because it was not happy with life when I was pulling it in the yard, pulling it right here. It was very down on power from what it was, but it's out. It's nice and dirty, but and also the dipstick has no oil on it, I don't think. Oh, it does. There's rust in there. But tomorrow I'll catch back up tomorrow when I get off of work again, and gonna do a deep clean on this thing and just get it nice and cleaned up. I've ordered the floor pans to do to fix the rust, but that'll come later on. So, oh, what a lovely day. It's pretty late, but it's doing good.